My name is Yvan Brule. I'm Technical Director here at TopVu. TopVu is an RFID innovations company focused on emergency preparedness and ore tracking. So we track personnel going in and out of mines. The mining operators are responsible for the health and safety of all their workers. That safety starts by knowing that they are present in the mine. So over at TopVu, we're documenting everybody coming in and out of the property. We document everybody going in and out of the mine. And we have some safeguards and digital transformation to make sure we have accurate tag boards and an accurate manifest. The traditional tag board has been nothing more than a piece of plywood and hooks. So you'd have just a tag going on the tag board. The problem there is some miners would forget to tag in or forget to tag out. And nothing more than human error, but there's no safeguards in place to ensure that the tag board is accurate. So historically, there's a lot of people that forget to tag in, forget to tag out, and that's a problem for mine rescue. Forgetting to tag out has potentially large impacts on the operation and the bottom dollar. As a lot of people wanting to clear the tag board before doing the blast, if there is one tag left on the board, they will delay that blast until they locate that person and that person takes off their tag. So this could potentially be hundreds of thousands of dollars per hour, depending on the nature of the operation and the cost of minerals, but it has a lot of economic impact just by simply forgetting a tag on the board. So at TopVu, we've introduced as a patented tag board. It's the first ever physical tag board with digital properties. So we put an RFID tag inside of the tag. So when the person puts a tag on the board, we have detected that it's on the board. So now we've digitized the process, and it comes into our software package, which is installed on our client networks. We also do personnel tracking. So we put RFID stickers inside the hard hats, because there's no batteries, it just works for the life of the hard hats. When they're detected entering the mine, our system's gonna verify the tag board. And if they forgot to tag in, we can set off alarms and bells and whistles. We have a message display similar to here, flashing the person's name, reminding them to come back and tag into their tag board. So what TopVu does, we put RFID stickers inside their helmets, and they are associated to the workers. Visitors get hard hat bands, so it's easily to lend and retrieve from visitors. So as the miner goes into the mine, whether it's going into a cage or a portal, we have checkpoint tracking that detects the hard hats. And at that moment, the system will verify the tag board, make sure they are tagged in. If they are not tagged in, then we have safeguards in place. We can sound some alarms, some bells. We can flash a name across a message display to remind that worker to return and tag in properly. So it's all about making sure they are tagged in. Likewise, when they're exiting the property, we have the RFID turnstiles. So as they go to exit the turnstiles, they could have wearables, keychains, any key fob that's related to the person. If they forgot to tag out, the turnstile will prevent them from leaving, and again, it will enunciate, please go tag out before leaving the property. So then we're left with an accurate tag board. This is our ore tracking business unit. We're basically tracking what this ore is, where is it coming from, where's it supposed to go. This is a lot for ore control, waste dilution. A lot of the geologists are really enjoying this on several continents. What we do, we have, again, passive RFID tags and what we call an ore tag. Geologists will scan these and they will allocate this. They'll tell it, is it ore, is it waste, what's the grade. We also have automatic dispensers to do this if you wanted to do automatically. But once they go underground, identify ore, they'll throw this in a pile. Now these ore tags will follow the mining process. It'll go through jaw crushers and cone crushers. It'll survive. It may not look the same, but they do survive. And then when it comes to a checkpoint, either on a conveyor belt or a transfer point, these antennas will detect the tag and it'll transfer that data to the software package. And it'll tell the software, what is this rock? Is it ore? Is it waste? What's the grade? Where's it coming from? Where's it supposed to go? And then we'll compile that data to present it in real-time information or historical information so the geologists can make real-world decisions or populate the reports with real data. We can also trigger some messages and rules. If waste is detected going into the mill, we can stop the process and change that. Or if pay dirt is going to the tailings, they can stop the belt, redirect. So we can do real-time decisions, adjust the concentrator recipe, get better grade control. We also do emergency assembly points. We put these muster tap stations in parking lots and in refuge stations. And so if there's an emergency in a mine, mine operators can immediately go to the software and reconciliate everybody who's on the ground with their accurate tag board versus everybody who's checked into their assembly points. And in minutes, they can have real-time information where their workforce is. So we can deploy mine rescue quickly, swiftly, and deploy them where they are needed. We are all located in Sudbury, so all the R&Ds in Sudbury, manufacturing, software development, are all done locally by Sudbury residents. We find Mining Transform just an amazing venue. Having a trade show for mines in a mine is, imagine that being a new concept. It's really amazing. All of our clients get to experience the TopVu. We're not just talking about it over a tabletop. They get to see it working and they can really appreciate it. So for us, it's a very, very beneficial venue for us.